Hello friends, good morning. So today we are about to discuss very important topic that is if I am planning to work in Italy, what are the tax law? So yeah, these questions we will be discussing all these kind of queries and question. So welcome friend, this is Anuj Bhardwaj. Yeah, I am bringing more and more video about working in Italy, how we can shift in Italy, and how you can plan your better future in Europe, even if you are going to Italy. Yeah. So we start with the process. We will be not be covering up the complete taxation process, but we are only taking care of one condition which promotes worker to worker, means here the engineers or IT field people to move to Italy. Yeah? So that is known as inbound tax regime. So there is a one policy, one relaxation given from the Italian government, and where you will be paying way more less tax than you are paying in other European country. You are aware of it. Taxes in European countries are very high. So take an example, in Germany, taxes from 22 to 42%, which is way more high, and most of your salary goes into tax. Yeah. So to attract the technical people in Italy, now Italian government from 2020 this regime is applicable. Now Italian government comes with a regime that is inbound tax regime. So in Italy, the normal taxation are again from 22 to 42%, which is again high. But yeah, if you are coming to Italy and to work in Italy, whether you are a technocrat or you are an engineer, doctor, so you will be coming under inbound tax regime. So in taxation, the tax. Inbound tax regime is applicable to those who are planning to come to Italy at least for 2 years, or at least there should be a declaration from you and your company that you will be staying and working in Italy for next 2 years. The next condition to fulfill tax regime is you must not be in a say on the same tax regime for last 2 years. So means there should be a 2 year gap. And the third condition is you should be staying in it most of the time in Italy. So the condition is at least you will be in Italy for that at least 183 days, and you must be a tax resident of in Italy, means you will be paying tax in Italy, Italian tax. Yeah. So you need to register yourself for tax, so to become a tax resident. Yeah. So the percentage of income tax is way more less here. So it also depends on the region where you are working. So if you are in working planning to work in northern portion of Italy, which is up portion of Italy, where the living is very high, and yeah, the life quality is also very high, so there the taxes are higher. So in northern Italy, if you comes under inbound tax regime, then you will be paying tax only on your 30% of income. For example, if I am earning 50,000, 30% will be 15,000. Then I will only be paying tax on 15,000, and that 15,000, as per the band, it comes in first band of Italy tax paying, which says from 0 to some 28,000. It's 15 it's 23%. So I will be paying 23% tax only on 15,000 euro. Okay. So, and on the other case, if you are no, you are working in southern part of Italy, then you will be applicable only and only, friends, 10% tax actually. So here you can see, if I am earning 50,000 euro, then I will be only paying tax on 5,000, which comes under first band. So I will be paying 23% tax on 5,000 only. So 5%, so 5,000 multiplied by 23%, that will be my tax, so which is way more less than other European country. So by doing this, the purpose of Italian government is to promote and bring more brain into their country, so that they can also grow and do the technocrat. Yeah. So this policy you can extend it from you must be staying in Italy for 2 years, and can be extended for it can be there for 5 years. Next extension can be happened for next 5 year, and in the next coming 5 year you will be applicable only for 50, only you will be paying tax only on your 50% salary. So if you can extend your tax policy, yeah, that is a inbound tax policy, and you can be paying only tax on 50% of your salary, so that's still good. And even there is a clause, you can again continue your um, 10% of tax next 5 more years. After 5 year completion, you can again continue, instead of 50% you can continue for 10% as well, if you have a more dependent people on you, like three or more than three. Yeah, so now the next thing, who will apply and how to apply. So you, first of all, you must be staying, announcing is staying for more than 2 years. Then your employee and your employer will be giving you a document and will be signing on behalf of you. You will be staying and working there for 2 years, and then you also need to declare something, some document in Italy, and to Italian government, and then you will come under 10%. Your 10% salary will only be taxable if you are living in southern part. If northern part, it will be 30% of your salary will be taxable, which is very good. Now the question comes, what if I could not complete, if my I declare initially for inbound tax regime and I could not finish my 2 years in Italy? Yes, that is possible. So in this case, you will be out of this inbound tax regime, and you will be paying the full tax at the end before leaving the country. Yeah. So thanks friend, thanks for your time, and keep on watching. Do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for the further video.